What's up, guys? Welcome to the very first inaugural video on the channel. My name is Jake. I'm with Butte County Bronco, and this is my 2023 Bronco Badlands Sasquatch. And today, we're going to be installing one of the most controversial things in the world of aftermarket off-road modifications: body lift. Here we have an 1.5-inch body lift by Mikellis, who I'd figure out how you pronounce that brand, but body lift. Really easy. Of all the installs I've done so far on this, very simple install. So let's walk you through it. Alrighty. So with the Bronco, you have on each side you have 4 body mounting bolts, right? There's one, if you can see it, right in there. There's another one like right under here. Another one right here ish. And then the last one back in the back right up there. So basically all you're going to do is loosen up one side, and then you're going to fully take out another side. Get yourself a jack up the body, not the frame. Don't jack up the frame. Get that upside just enough so you can slide the 1.5-inch puck inside that body mount. Thread the screws, lower it back down, do the same thing on the other side. So the first one, that front body mounting bolt, is going to be an 18 millimeter. Yeah. Oh. And I'm sure if you've looked into body lifts, you understand that it's best to do it by hand because of the thread, the nut that's inside the body. If you use the impact or the Ooga Dooga gun, you have a possibility of stripping that. And if you strip that bolt inside, you're in for a treat, because that's not going to be fun. So that front bolt, I've been told, is the only one that has Loctite on it. And it's pretty strong, so it's going to take you a minute, but whatever. Then your back 3 are going to be 15 millimeter. And these ones are a lot easier to get out. Should be pretty close. We'll see. Then you're going to take your puck and you're going to slide it in. All right, so if you look, it's kind of hard to see. If you look right in there, there's your first one. It's pretty simple. You just slide it in. This one's probably easier to see right here. You're going to take your front bolts. When you get your kit, make sure you look at the difference, because the back bolts are clearly different than the front. So make sure you do that, because that won't work. You got to take your Loctite. Put a little bit on there. Not much. Doesn't take much. Just a little bit. You're going to thread that on. Just kidding. Gotta put the washer on. Don't be a simpleton like me. Don't forget your washer. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. If you happen to purchase the kit that I got, I'll put a link to it in the bottom. When the new bolts put in, the rears are 22 millimeter, front is a 19. So just enough so we can do the other side. So one side's done. You can kind of tell we're a little cattywampus. That's okay. I can fix it. And just like that, 1.5-inch body lift done. Took me about an hour. Not too hard. Anybody can do it. You have probably zero mechanical experience. You can figure that out. So if you watch this and you kind of want to do the same thing, feel free to shoot me a comment, and I can give you some advice, little things. One thing that was frustrating was the front 2 body bolts were kind of difficult. Probably have been easier if you take off that front skid plate. If you have one on there, you have a little bit more room and leverage to do it, but you can do it without taking it off. So don't stress about that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna do other videos about all the other modifications I've done to the Bronco so far and what I plan on doing in the future. But this is good for right now. If you like this kind of stuff, I'm going to keep doing it. So go ahead and like it, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions on how to do that, shoot me a comment and I'll help you out. So peace.